What's up, YouTube? So today we're installing a keyless entry and the 521. I got this kit on eBay. It was like 20-30 bucks. It was really inexpensive. This was meant for a 4-door vehicle, so it came with 4 actuators, so I'm only going to use 2 of them since it's only a 2-door. So yeah, the wiring looks pretty straightforward. All it is from the main unit, like the brains, the red cable's going to the fuse 10 amp straight to the battery, so it's a constant 12 volt. Black is the ground, and then it has 5 wires that are already like bundled up, and those go to the main, like the driver's side actuator. And then it has 2 more wires that I have going to the passenger side, and then I went ahead and I snipped the rest of them. I'm gonna go ahead and just tape up the white and the brown. That's for a manual unit. I believe that's if you want to add like a switch on the inside, which I don't really want to do right now. And the violet is for parking lights. Again, I may wire that up now. More than likely I'm not, just because I don't really need it. That's just like give it a horn or some lights to flash whenever you lock it. And the amber, which is the truck output, which is if you wanted to like pop the trunk. And then I removed that wire as well. So this is what I'm left with. I went ahead and I drilled out the holes already on the driver's side. I went ahead and I removed the door panel. So my idea is to go ahead and mount this right about here. So then I drilled out both of these holes here, and whenever I lock it, this should go up, which would push this up, and when I lock it or unlock it, it'll pull it down and unlock it. So it seems pretty straightforward. I should be able to knock this out relatively quickly. So yeah, let's see let's see how long this takes. Alright guys, so I did quite a bit since the last clip. I went ahead and I mounted both actuators. You can see I did the 2 mounting locations here, and I actually did 2 little I don't know what you call it, like locking plates on each side. So this is it unlocked, and then whenever you lock it, it would go down. So it looks pretty so far looks pretty good. So I went ahead and I like loomed this. I went ahead and I mounted the little computer right there, right above the steering column, with the antenna coming out on top. So I'm going to just tuck this real quick. Oh, it's mostly out of view. I might take a little bit more. But anyways, I ran that down. And actually, I thought that there's like a hole right here, like pre-made like void. I thought that went to this. This was already here when I bought the truck. It's like a little loom. It's kind of cheap, but it goes from inside the truck into the door. So I was gonna use that. But this void here doesn't go in here. The one down here does. So I guess it's gonna just be sandwiched here between this and then that panel that I made. But I ran, again, I loomed this and I ran this through here. Used like a zip tie and then zip tied the bottom of it and then pulled it through up here through the door. And the length of it looks like it's gonna be almost perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this. I'll probably zip tie it like in a couple different spots. I don't want to make any more holes, so I'll probably use some of the ones that are here already, just to keep this from just like vibrating inside. But then this side here is pretty much done. I still got to do the other end. As you can kind of see, I mounted that one over there. I'm gonna run the 2 wires over there, and I just got to do power and ground, and that's pretty much it. So super easy. Next clip should be it done. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done already. This side here, I put the door panel back on just to make sure everything was working properly. I still need to put the kick panels back on, and then this door panel. But as you can see, actually, I'm going to close this door too. So if I lock the door, it locks. And if you do it, there you go. So super easy to do. The only thing is, FYI for anybody else doing this, on the passenger side, I needed the actuator to do the opposite of what it was set up to do. So what I mean is, out of the box, lock extends, sorry, unlock, extends, lock, extends. And if you wanted to do the opposite for whatever reason, all you do is just connect them backwards. So what I mean is, you can see I have green to blue and then green to blue on the other end. So just swap, instead of going blue to blue, green to green. That'll cause it to do the opposite of what it's wired up to do. For my reasoning, it's just I'm missing the rod on this end, which is what I connected the other end to. So I have to do it on the other end. So instead of it needing to pull, it needs to push up to lock. So yeah, other than that, pretty easy install. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tuck all the wires, zip tie this on the inside of the door panel, put the kick panels back on, and I am done. So yeah, super easy to do. And now it's a lot more convenient to lock and unlock the truck. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, or any questions or anything, let me know. I'd be happy to help.